guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are in a supermarket in Kerala. So as you can see, it's like a line of stalls. Now here my parents buying some fridge magnets related to Kerala because we have to take something here. Yeah. So till now that stall has no sale. Sad for it. Yeah, haha. So after this, some shopping. We'll be going to a water metro. A water metro is a metro inside water. Joking. You're gonna see. So tomorrow we'll be going to in a houseboat. I'll be showing you all a tour. Yeah. So when it's my turn to buy something, I'll show you guys. Till then, stay tuned. So I'm not in a mood to buy anything, but we'll be continue roaming here and there. There are too many shops of fridge magnets related to Kerala. Yeah. So now we'll be going straight. I'm just bored a bit, like there's no shop for fun things to buy. So I'll be going straight. Oh yeah, I have to do something. Wait, stay there my subscribers. Yup, the work is done. So we'll be continuing straight. Yeah. So they are asking to buy us, but we don't wanna blah blah. Yeah. So we'll be going straight. Any fun thing? I'll show you. Yeah. So we are now. Now there's a dead end kind of thing. Now there's a small gap. So now we'll be walking in a different lane. Weird thing, my mother is continuously buying fridge magnets related to Kerala. What is the use of fridge magnet? We are just gonna show all the people that we went to Kerala. Yeah, the most important part is how much we love that place. Yeah, and okay, I got to know why my mother is continuously buying this for her collections. Yeah, she wants to improve her or like increase her collections related to all these stuff, so that's why she might be buying. Let's see what she's buying now. Oh, she was buying old Indian coins. Wow.
इसकी फोटो खींच ऐसे
It looks so good. So old Indian coins are quite expensive because now they are there. Now we'll be moving on to our next tourist place. So guys, it was my turn to buy something. I had 40 rupees. I had to spend it all. So like these are pop-ups. Okay, these are like small stones which are together, and then we just throw them on the ground. It's like a cracker noise. It's fun. 20 rupees each. It was good enough for me to purchase it. So I purchased it. Now I'm happy. Now I'm broke. I don't have any money. Yes. Okay guys, apparently when I was filming, I gave my money to my mother. My mother gave back my money. I'm not broke anymore. I have 40 rupees. Let's go. Subscribe. Bro, a mini puppy. I realize as we are going more right as we are changing lanes towards the right hand side, we are one step closer to the lake. Here's the lake. And this lane is known for songs and food related like ice cream, etc. There are few normal local shops like I told you for this fridge magnets and all those things, but most of here it's food. See, fridge magnets as usual. So boring. So boring. The lake is good. Yeah, water metro. It's going to be super awesome. So guys, now it's the time to spend my money. I spended my money on this thing. So this thing, like, if for example take this, you can put your name here. The uncle will like apply glue and all those things. So I chose my favorite sport, cricket. And now they're still making it. But here's the progress. Yeah, so I am also satisfied with what I have, but the problem is I spend my money. I spend my only 40 rupees I had in my pocket in this. I am broke. Now I'm broke again. Help me to get at least subscribe, then I can get at least one sikka. I need at least one paisa to survive my entire life. Please. Hey guys, this is the result. If you love it, you can like. So guys, I am a non-vegetarian, but I generally do not eat fish. Ew. This is how a fish looks like. So trash, yuck. And that's the crabs or lobster, which is the most yucky thing ever. Look at its freaking eyes. Okay, I quit. It's too smelly. I cannot like feel this smell. I feel to puke. Ew, now it's the second shop. I don't know what's my condition in a fish. Now that's a crab. Ew. It's so yuck. So like now we are going back to where we started this thing, cause like it's a bit boring. So it's a bit boring now, cause like most of these shops are related to fridge magnets, which we already bought some 10 or 20. Yeah. So stay tuned, subscribe. So my father is there buying some ice cream, and I'm just chilling here. And yeah. Oh wow! Look at that. It's a tri-scooty, generally for people who can't walk and all those things. It has 3 tires. Wow, interesting to watch. Now let's go back to where I was. La la la. So my sister has her own phone. Hello? Now she's talking to some random dude. Yeah. Can you show your phone after talking?
Trying this, okay? We don't need it.
Okay. Show your phone to subscribers. This is how phone looks like. It's a fake phone. Chee. So as I told you, if you'll be going to the right hand side, it's more near to the lake. Now we are back to the original path from where we started. So this market, this short market was kind of fun and interesting to see a few things. Yeah. Now we'll be most probably going to the metro, water metro. Who knows? You'll see. Subscribe. So now actually we are going to the water metro. Yeah, so we'll be going inside this huge crowd for the tickets. Let's see how much do they cost. Oh, it's a huge rush. It's a huge jam. Let's see what's our condition. So guys, quick news. As like there's too much rush here, I won't be able to show you everything. But when we get to the metro, I'll definitely show you that. If I get time, I can show you this part. If I don't, I have to stop this video. You can go to my next video, which will be uploaded after 5 to 10 minutes if I stop this video now. Till then, stay tuned. Good luck. So apparently I could show you something like this to a big line here. My parents are in the line. I was too tired of filming, so I just sat. But still, I won't give up because I love my subscribers. So it's time for me to do some action. I will also go stand in the line. I'm going to sacrifice myself. Let's go. Apparently my parents kicked out me from the line. Now I'm back chilling. So I'm thinking of scamming the people who work, all the staff of this train. Cause see, kindly drop your tickets inside the box. It's for the cycling and reuse. So if I take a ticket from there, then if I go there and scan my ticket, I might get a free entry to the metro. Let's see if it works. So I got a ticket from here. Let's see if it works. So I am in the line with my parents. Feels so weird. Oh, let's go, guys! They gave me entry. They gave me a freaking entry. Oh shit, guys! I got a it's called luck. I have luck. Let's go, people. Oh. Now we have to stand in this mega huge line. Okay. They told we are supposed to be chilling here good only, but I want to enjoy the water train. Let's see what's the condition. So they told us to wait 20 minutes here. 20 minutes we'll be going to the metro, water metro. Then after that we'll be chilling in the metro and going to some extra place like how should I explain this? Who cares? Yeah, so where I was, 20 minutes we have to wait here. 20 minutes will be in the water metro. Then we'll land in Malinda. From Malinda to our hotel, it will be some 1 to 1.5 hours. It's okay, at least we get to chill and enjoy the trip. So I found one good thing, the model of a water metro. Let's go and see. So it looks like this. It's a huge model. Inside also it looks fun. So here's the front part looking like. Oh guys, we have to go. 20 minutes are done. Come on guys, we have to run. Phew, at least we made it till the line. I thought I was gonna skip it. So here we are. We are going to the water metro. Oh look, Chinese fishing net. Chinese fishing net are just so big. Normal fishing net it's like catching one fish at a time. This can catch around 100 fishes. Too good. Oh guys, can you see some weird shape there? That one? That is humongous. Wow. Is that a boat or port? Oh guys,
it's water metro.
Oh, guys, we're going. Wow. Oh, guys, we are going in. We are going in. Guys, we are freaking going. Oh, guys, we are in the boat. We are in the boat. Guys, it feels like an actual metro. It feels like an actual metro. Yo, no place. So we are searching for a place. So I got a place. It's crowded. And this is how it looks like. Wow, it's beautiful. Guys, you can see all of this in my next video. You can subscribe. Bye.